welcome to the return of Will and Waffle and Quesadilla. Get an adult to use the waffle iron.
So you like mozzarella cheese for your quesadilla?
I sure do.
Okay. Now we're gonna.
And will the quesadilla waffle? Let's find out.
What do you think? What's your hypothesis?
I think it'll turn into a quesadilla waffle.
Yeah. Is there a fun name that you have for that?
A waffsadilla.
A waffsadilla? Not a case awful?
A waffsadilla.
Waffsadilla is better? Okay. So, for your waffsadilla, you're going to want maple syrup on it?
No.
No. What are you going to want on it? Now, there's not a setting on your waffle iron for quesadilla, and so we're going to be doing some check-ins to see things. Now, what do we do when we're adding in
Salsa and queso bread.
Okay. Do you need some salsa or do you have salsa?
We already have salsa.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what makes it good to have salsa on a quesadilla?
Well, as a dip too, right?
As a dip too. So what's in salsa?
Tomatoes, peppers, jalapenos, etc.
Yeah. And what's in queso?
Cheese, which means this queso is for cheese.
Yeah.
Beef.
Okay, so our waffle iron's heating up. Takes a little while to do that. I'm going to take a quick peek. I'm guessing it's pretty white still, but you can see the pattern starting on top.
Yeah, it's heating up.
Okay.
Or, and don't forget to use my advice. Don't talk to nobody. And you should talk to your parents, etc. too.
Yeah. And should you touch the hot waffle iron?
No, you could burn yourself.
Yeah, you would burn yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what else goes with a good Mexican waffle lunch like this? You have your dips, you have your waffledilla.
And chips too.
Okay. So today's a Waffle Wednesday, right?
Yes.
So you had a waffle for breakfast. How was that?
Delicious. And
So, what type of waffle was it?
a chocolate and Nutella waffle.
Chocolate chip and Nutella waffle. Now, were they sweet milk chocolate chips like you usually have, or were they a little different?
They were a little different.
They were semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Semi-sweet chocolate chips. Half sweet.
Okay, still looking pretty white, but let's see if the cheese is melty. Ooh, melty cheese. Now, do you want it more browned, or is that good?
That sounds good to me.
Okay, so we're going to unplug first, and then we're going to use a tool to help us lift.
The cheese is looking pretty melty.
Good and melty, and you have your cut spots, and it's nice and warm.
And it's nice and hot.
Okay, so what do you think?
Pretty good.
So I will say that a waffle.
And not very awful.
True. Anything else you want to tell folks?
Subscribe, like, share, watch more videos, and buy our merchandise too.